Out here at Art Smith Trailhead. Never rode this trail before. So, let's give it a shot, man. All right, just went through several like steep switchbacks with definitely hike-a-bike situations. Did some of them, couldn't do some of the other ones. Just crazy looking cactuses here. Look at that thing, look at that thing. I'll see what's up here. That wasn't a very hard section, I just didn't see the trail. So much sand like on these little flat sections like that. Crazy. Dude, holy shit, looks like we're in, this is like fucking Mars, bro. Fucking sweet views, man. Palm Springs and Palm Desert and all these other fucking desert cities down there. Oh, and the beautiful desert hot springs too. Almost was in the wrong gear for that. Look at that interesting looking plant creature thing. Thick sand. Oh, fucking shit just gave away. Oh, that was close. Whoa. Ah. Where the fuck is this taking me? Mojo HD4, the orange dream machine, enhanced by Trail Angels. Little Trail Angel. So I had an SB6 before this. Wasn't really in the market to buy a new bike, and a friend of a friend wanted to buy it, my SB6, so I ended up selling it, and like I needed a bike, you know. I still have my SB, my Yeti SB 5.5, you know, but I'm the kind of guy that always has to have a backup to the backup. So I wasn't going to be without two bikes. So I'd ridden this Mojo HD4 probably 3 or 4 times on recommendation of Chris at the Bike Co. Took it out to Greer Ranch the first time I had it, and dude, I loved it. So much fucking traction, unbelievable. So that was kind of like this setting the freaking ball in motion, I guess, kind of thing, you know. So then when I sold my SB6, I pretty much knew what I wanted. I didn't even test ride any other kind of enduro rigs, you know. This is a shout out to Ibis. I mean, because I'm not an Ibis guy, I'll tell you that. I'm more, if people know me, you know, I'm more of a, I'm a Yeti fanboy for sure, no doubt about that. But with that being said, I've rode Ibis in the past, and I never liked the downhill capabilities on their bikes. It never felt stable at speed. It felt like if it was a 6-inch bike, it felt like a 5-inch bike. I just couldn't get along with it downhill. The older Mojos just, I don't know. So when I rode this, I was extremely surprised that this bike fucking shreds, brother. No doubt about it. It's stable, flies through like just high-speed chunder, and in the steep stuff that we ride in Aliso, handles it with ease, man. The only limit on this bike is the dumbass sitting on the seat piloting the thing. So when I bought it, I got the GX build because I didn't want to go crazy. My Yeti's pretty much topped out at this point, you know, probably a $9,000 or $10,000 build. So when I got this, I was like, I can't spend that much money again. So GX build. It came with obviously GX SRAM 12-speed Eagle thing, so I upgraded the shifter to XO1. I can't remember if it came with the X2 or if it came with the DPX thing. Anyways, I think I upgraded to the X2. Had that Pro Tune along with my fork. I was more concerned about this point at, I just wanted killer suspension, and Pro Tune more than just, it fucking answers everything that I need. So great job by Bike Co. And then a couple weird things with the GX build. It comes with Dior brakes, not XT. Comes with a 31.8 handlebar. Yeah, I don't know, so whatever. So anyway, on my hardtail, on my Santa Cruz hardtail, I just put a 35mm handlebars on there and the wolf tooth dropper. So I switched out those and put that stuff on the HD4, and you know, because it's more appropriate. And then I had some XT brakes that I threw on here, and then I was having issues with my front XT brake, so I got a Magura MT7 right now on there. Eventually Magura is going to go on the rear brake. And as far as maybe upgrading the cranks, I'll go with those race face, the next cranks, because they're pretty sick. And then I do want to throw a Chris King hub on here. Right now it's just the Ibis factory build hub or whatever that it comes with on the GX build. And then at that point, I really don't think there's anything else I want to do to this bike. You know, I really like it. It just shreds in the corners and stuff. It's so fun, so fast. You know, just one of those bikes when you first sit on it and you ride it, it just gets along with you right away. So, and I think a lot of it has to do too with like the 2.6 tires on here, the Maxxis DHFs. These are their wide rims. What, they're like 938 or something. I don't fucking know. Yeah, oh no, 738. Yeah, 738 rims. They're not carbon, they're just the aluminum ones, and they're pretty wide. They're like 35, I think, internal. So with these 2.6 tires on here, dude, just Mongo grip. Just Mongo grip. All right, well, that's it for the bike build. Almost went over that. Well, you really have to keep your speed and control right there, because I want to let it go, but man, this dirt is so sketchy. Hey, morning. All right, back up again. We back. Well, that was bits and pieces of Art Smith Trail.